Hey pals, it's me Orion. You might formerly remember me as MagicalRooney, but I have since changed my name, so we are now Orion's Galaxy, or well, I'm now Orion's Galaxy. Basically, I think like mid-February I had realized the name Rooney wasn't me. I mean, it's a nickname I've had since I was a kid, and I don't mind it still being used for me, but Orion is who I am now. And I just wanted to take a second to like kind of reintroduce myself, mostly for the factor of I know there's the possibility of people going back and watching old videos in the confusion of hearing the name Paige, Rooney, and then switch to Orion. So I wanted to help with some of that confusion. As well, I just kind of wanted to explain a little direction I'm going to be going. With inspiration from another streamer on Twitch, another content creator, Really B, I want to play more into the things I am incredibly interested in. My special interests, that's Fire Emblem, Persona. I love Pokemon, so I want to do more of those things. Not to say that we're going to stop playing the other things we have going on. We're still going to keep playing Life is Strange, True Colors. However, because I had gone on hiatus because of renovations, that's why this is a mess, but looks a little different since the last time you saw my face. We are not going to be bringing back Spirit Fair because I, in the renovation period of boredom, did play way further ahead on our save without thinking. And then I'm also trying to work on a sim save to post here on YouTube. Cute little family that I've made. I did record one part already and it was very funny. I want to try and play and share more things that I absolutely love. So I think we're going to start a Persona 5 Royal Let's Play. I think I want to start a Fire Emblem Engage Let's Play, although I have been playing on Twitch. We have not finished it and I would like to go through the playthrough because there was definitely some mistakes I made and I want to play here on YouTube with y'all. But yeah, I just figured I would make this unscripted video reintroducing myself. So I do ask that going forward y'all call me Orion. You can also call me Ori. To answer this question, for anyone who sees it written out, it is spelt like Orion's belt, like the constellation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in some gameplay.